stay active while sitting. Now you can with this compact floor elliptical. This sits beneath your desk while you work, on the floor by the couch while you watch your kids or watch TV. It can literally go anywhere you can sit. It's heavy duty, weighing about 25 pounds, but it won't move around once it's placed thanks to the convenient non-slip mat. It's also quiet enough to use at the office. It targets the muscles in your body like your core, your hip flexors, your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. All while you continue living your life. No gym membership required. And with consistent use and a thoughtful diet, you will see results over time. It also tracks your strides, calories burned, time, distance, and more right on the display. Plus, it's easy to use straight out of the box. Apply 4 screws to secure the foot pads, and you're ready to go. Make sure to tighten the pedals regularly to keep them secure. Choose from 3 fun colors and get to sweating it out from the comfort of your desk with Cubii.